All right, guys, welcome to the fifth and final section of the ketogenic diet and how to lose 20 plus pounds course. And in this section, we're just going to talk about how to set up your 20-pound keto fat loss plan. So, again, we're going to talk about the ratios. The ratios for the ketogenic diet are 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. And again, even though it says 5% carbs, if your carbs come out to higher than 25 grams, just set your carbs at 25 grams. All right, so calculating your starting calories / macros. And macros are just the things that make up food, so fat, protein, and carbs. All right, so what you want to do is take your current weight and multiply by 10. And that's going to be your starting calories. And this works for everyone. So an example is take a 200-pound person, multiply by 10, and your starting calories would be 2,000 calories. And the keto breakdown of these calories would be 166 grams of fat, 100 grams of protein, and 25 grams of carbs. And this might sound a little off, but again, this is the ketogenic diet. I promise you, eating 166 grams of fat will not make you fat. And another thing to think about is everyone's metabolism is different. Some have faster metabolism and some have slower metabolisms. So you may have to do some tweaking. So if you're starting to lose weight too fast, and I know that kind of sounds funny, but if you feel like you're losing weight too fast, then add 10 to 15 grams of fat to whatever your calorie breakdown is. And if you feel like you're not losing fat fast enough, or you feel like you're gaining weight, then go ahead and take away 10 to 15 grams of fat. So you might be asking yourself, what should you do in the coming weeks when your first week of keto is done? So, in the coming weeks, you should not lower the amount of calories you're eating unless you stop losing weight. And when you do start lowering the amount of calories or upping the amount of cardio, only do it in increments. So, for your calories, only take away 10 to 15 grams of fat at a time. And that actually comes out to 90 and between 90 and 135 calories. So if you're upping the amount of cardio, only add 100 calories burned at a time. Actually, no. Redo. So you might be asking yourself what to do in the coming weeks of the keto diet. So what should you do after your first week? Now, you really should not be lowering the amount of calories unless you stop losing weight, okay? And when you do start lowering the amount of calories, you should only take away 10 to 15 grams at a time. This actually comes out to about between 90 and 135 calories. And that might seem like a small amount, but it really does add up. That comes out to around 700 calories per week, and that really is a lot. And of course, you should also be implementing your workout plan that we went over. You can always do other workouts like the examples I gave, and you should also be implementing your cardio plan that we went over. Especially all of this combined really will help shape and define your body and make you stronger. And that is the end of this course. I really hope you learned enough information to start the keto diet. And again, there is a resource page after the What Can I Eat section with links to anything you might need when you go on the keto diet. And of course, don't be afraid to ask questions in the appropriate places. I will be answering all of those questions and helping anyone who needs help. And thank you for getting this course. And I really hope I've provided a lot of value to you guys. All right. I'll see you.